This is a manufacturing digital twin experiment created with AI by Fractal-Apps that you can use for free. We built this in just a few hours to demonstrate how any manufacturing company can quickly implement their own digital twin at minimal cost. In this demonstration, we showcase a complex scenario featuring two 6-axis robots transferring a product between multiple locations. We've included background machinery and an operator to create a realistic manufacturing environment. Thanks to AI, we can easily customize any scenario with any type of machinery to match your specific needs. On the left panel, you'll see manual robot controls including a close gripper button. Notice how naturally the robots move and how precisely you can position them using the sliders. The pick-and-place simulation demonstrates a practical application, moving parts through 3 different locations using 2 robots. While the picking process isn't perfect, it provides a realistic representation of actual manufacturing processes. Remember, this is only a few hours of development work. Imagine what could be achieved with just a few days of refinement. You can use the reset button at any time to restart the simulation from the beginning. Thank you for watching. We hope this video demonstrates how AI can create opportunities beyond imagination, enabling even small companies to build customized simulators for their specific needs. Visit us at fractal-apps.com or leave a comment below. We look forward to connecting with you soon.